Hello guys, welcome. So today I will just go I will go through this strategy again. This is the strategy that it's kind of like the same strategy that we have been doing up till now, but there's further improvements to it. I was kind of like doing it wrong previously, and yesterday I had a call with my mentor. And after that, I uploaded one video on YouTube as well, where I went through what we did. But I think I didn't explain it properly yesterday, so let me try to explain it better today. All right. So let's do this. Okay, this is the Bitcoin chart. I'm going to remove all the drawings. Remove drawings. We are going to start with a blank slate, right? Okay. Let's do some backtesting. Uh, Yeah, okay, so maybe where do you want to start? Let's start from random date, March 12th. Okay, let's take our backtesting to that. Okay, so yeah, so how are we going to start? Okay, we will start. So yeah, pay attention, guys. So this is how the method, this the strategy, the how it works. So we will start with the weekly time frame. We will mark out the pivots. Okay, let's run our minute. Yeah, we'll mark out the pivots. This is a pivot on the weekly chart. Created templates and all. I was working in afternoon. This is another pivot. Weekly, weekly pivot. There was okay. There is another pivot here. Weekly. Okay. So these are the pivots marked. Then let's see fair value gaps. There's a fair value gap here. There's a fair value gap here. Let's mark this fair value gap first. Okay. Okay. Let's mark this fair value gap. Okay. Do I have? Yeah, weekly fair value gap. Okay. I'm not marking this. This is too far up. To get here, it will have to cross here first, and then if it crosses, then I'll okay mark that one. Okay, then yeah, order blocks. I don't see any order block. Yeah, there's order block here, but too far up high. No order blocks. Any sweep? There's a sweep here. We can just just for education purposes, I will show you guys what a sweep is. Right. I will mark out the template. So basically, what's happening here is that price created a high here, then the market makers purposely pushed the price up, took all the liquidity from here, all the sell stops, they took everything, and then price immediately dropped. And where was the market structure break? It was essentially here. So the trick that I use, I mean that my mentor kind of like pointed it out yesterday to find the to mark out the market structure break is basically, yeah, first we look at the sweep, where the sweep happened. Okay, from here, from this candle to this candle, right? The sweep happened. Then look at the low between these two candles, which is the lowest point between these two candles, and it is this one. And we extend that one to find out where the market structure break is. Okay, so yeah, so that's it. Okay, then we go on to the any other sweep. No, there's no sweep here. There is a sweep here, right? You can see this candle and this candle. This candle went slightly up to take out all the sell stops, then it immediately dropped. Where is the market structure break? This is we can see. Okay, even though I told you the rule here that it should be between, but I mean, there's no way like concrete rules in trading. Like sometimes you have to just it's a bit you have to be a bit loose, a bit free, right? So the low, the, the lowest point would be here in this area, and this would be the market structure break. Okay, I'm not marking that one. Let's go to the daily chart. Okay, let's see what's happening here. Pivot. We can clearly see there's a pivot here. We'll mark it out, the daily pivot. Okay, any other pivot? This is a pivot, daily pivot again. Any other pivot? Yeah, okay, here. So this is like a clear, this lows, right? This low and this low. It's very clear to me that there will be buy sell sell stops here, sell stops here. So it will be called the buy side liquidity. I'm confused about what the terminology is. Whatever, there is liquidity here. Okay, so so this is a point of interest for me, because if price comes somewhere near here, then I will guess that price is going to like quickly wick through and then maybe shoot back up a little bit, right? So to take out those liquidity. Okay, any order blocks? No order block. I don't see any order block. Any order block? Nope, I don't see. Okay, on the this, no order block. No order block. Let's mark out the fair value gap, guys. Okay, let's mark out the fair value gap. This is on the daily fair value gap. Okay, any other fair value gap? Look here, there's a fair value gap. Just to tell you guys again, the fair value, I'm using an indicator to show me all the fair value gaps. The indicator is from Arch, so it's very convenient. It marks out all the fair value gaps for me. Okay, this is the daily fair value gap. Anch is ANCHE. Okay, you can just search on the indicators. He's a real guy. You can check him out on Twitter as well. He created this indicator. Brilliant guy, brilliant trader. Mm, actually, I don't know. I just know, yeah, he has a reputation, but yeah, I don't know. I haven't followed his tweets. Mm, any other pivots, fair value gaps? There's a fair value gap up above there. We are not going to mark it now because it's too far away from us. We can always mark it later when the price reaches nearby. Okay, nothing else. Do we see any sweep, guys? Tell me, do you guys see any sweep? I see one. It is here. There's two sweeps actually. This one here and this one. Okay, let's just mark it out. All right, this is okay. This is a sweep. Okay, you see after this sweep there was immediate drop. So even though here you don't see a market structure break, but I'm pretty sure that if you go into the 50-minute chart or the 5-minute chart, you will see a market structure break happening. Okay. Any other thing I want to mark out? Nope, I don't feel like. Okay, so yeah, this is our charting on the daily chart. Now let's go on to the 4-hour chart. Okay. Okay. Any order blocks? No order blocks here. No order blocks here. No order blocks here. No order blocks here. On top. No order blocks. No order blocks. Let's mark out the fair value gap. This is the 4 hour fair value gap. There's another fair value gap here, too small. I'm not going to mark it out. Any pivots here? There's pivots here. Okay, I'll just mark it out. But there will definitely be liquidity below it. So yeah, here like you can see, as I was saying, that you'll find the market structure break on the lower time frames. Here you can clearly see on the 4 hour there's a market structure break here. Right. Okay. Any other pivot I want to mark out? No. Nothing else. Gosh, it's 11 minutes already. Okay. Now there's a fair value gap here. Let's mark it out. Let's do this, maybe. Okay. Fair value gap on the 4 hour chart. Anything else? I don't think so. Okay. So, yep. That's all. That is all. Do I want to mark out anything else? I don't think so. Okay. So we are done with the charting. Okay. Now my thought process is, okay, where would price would like to go at this point? Okay, price is currently here, right? It closed here on this red candle. It closed here. Where would price like to go now? So there is liquidity here. There is liquidity from all the sell stops here. There is fair value gap imbalance liquidity here. I don't know if to call fair value gaps as liquidity, but whatever. Price would like to go here. Here there's liquidity. So my guess is price would like to take these liquidity first, and it might like shoot up a bit, come back down, fill this fair value gap, and then go back up again. That is my guess. So first price will like to come down here. Okay. Okay, so let's see if I can take a position at this point. Can I take a trade at this point? As of now, no, I don't see. I don't see a way to take a position at this point. Maybe let me see what's happening on the 15-minute chart. See, price. My guess is price would come down here and take the liquidity, right? Did price break market structure? It broke this. Came back. Yeah, yeah. Looks to me price is gonna come down. There's no fair. There's a fair value gap small here, small fair value gap here. But looks to me like there was a clear market structure break here, right? Of this, there's a clear market structure break here. Price went down, came back up to fill the fair. Actually, I'm not so sure what's going to happen. But yeah, my bias is price is going to come down here. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh, it's going. Okay, it's going. Okay, it came down. Took some time. Took a few days. It came down to take the liquidity. Now it might reverse or it might come down again. Okay, so at this point, I would like to go to the lower time frame, see what's happening. Yeah, I won't take any position at this point. So I won't call this a market structure break, even though this is a, okay, this is a, let's see what's happening on the 4-hour chart. Okay, yeah, so there's a fair value gap formed here. If price breaks this level with impulse, that would be uh, my indication to long, my trigger for long. Okay, let's see if price breaks that level. Okay, broke it, broke with impulse. I think, yeah, I would go long, and I would, let's see where I would like to enter. This is the price leg that broke. So yeah, I would like to enter in the this discount region. Okay, I'll keep my stop loss below this. I will just go for our chart. I'll keep my targets to the fair value gap, filling a fair value gap here. So it's a 2R. I don't know. I don't kind of like this trade. I think I'm doing something wrong, but yeah, whatever. Yeah, stopped out. Okay, damn. All right, guys. Yeah, that's it for today. We got stopped out. I might have done something wrong. I will need to relook into the strategies, study more. Yeah, clearly there's a lot to learn still, and that's good. Okay, so see you guys again. Have a good night.